Nigeria is a signatory to several conventions outlawing torture. There's also a law against torture in the country enacted in 2017. However, despite these laws, there have been several allegations of torture by state actors in their dealings with suspects, detainees, and convicts. Civil society groups also lament that in contravention of national and international law, information extracted through torture and ill treatment is routinely accepted as evidence in court. Hence, the need for this handbook on torture.
The essence of the handbook is to create awareness on the contents, the existence and contents of the Anti-Torture Act. It was born out of our realization after about 4 years of the passage of the Anti-Torture Act that quite a lot of members of the law enforcement agencies do not know of the existence of the act, nor do they even know about the liabilities that are contained therein.
Stakeholders at the event speak on this violation of human rights.
Also clarifies government duty and stresses the importance and saying that it's important that government fully adhere to the principles against torture as expressed under the Nigerian Constitution, particularly Section 34. The chapter also reminds the reader that even private persons are also bound to duty not to subject anyone in detention to torture and other degrading punishments or treatments.
Military has been in the forefront to ensure that human rights is protected at all ramifications. We all agree with me that torture is something that the law frowns at. This can be seen from the provision of the Constitution, especially Section 34 that talks about the right to dignity of human person. That nobody should be subjected to torture or any inhuman treatment.
Written by Professor Chris Ohirogu, the book covers issues on fundamental rights of crime suspects, criminal responsibility for use of torture, justification or defense for torture, and rights of a victim of torture. Ferdinand Duruoha, Arise News.